Hi everyone, good morning. This slide shows the how Microsoft major cloud and AI products fit together. At the foundation, Microsoft Azure, which is provide the core cloud infrastructure, networking, security, and data and AI services. On the top of the Azure, Microsoft provide AI services. Azure AI services included in AI Foundry, Azure OpenAI, Azure AI Search, machine learning capabilities. The plat- uh, the mm, Power Platform, which provides the low-code business application services such as Power Apps, Power Automated, Power BI, Microsoft Copilot Studio. Copilot Studio is the key platform for building enterprise Copilot and AI agents. Microsoft 365 provides the collaboration productivity services such as Teams, Outlook, SharePoint, Word, Excel. While Dynamics 365 provide the CRM and business application for area such as customer services, sales, finance, and operation. Microsoft Fabrics provide the enterprise data analytics layer, while Microsoft Security includes products such as Entra, Defender, Sentinel, and Purview. It provides across all these platforms. Microsoft provide the broader Copilot ecosystems, including Microsoft 365 Copilot, Azure Copilot, um, Security Copilot, Dynamics Copilot, GitHub Copilot, Copilot Studio. The key relationship is the Copilot is the part of Power Platform, while Azure Copilot is a part of Azure. Azure, the separate they're separate product, but they can integrate it with the same Azure, Microsoft 365, Dynamics 365 data and security services. Thank you all.